Hey guys, so what I've done is I've put primer on my face and I've used the Ezelique, or Ezelique, however you meant to say it, Skin Smoothing Face Primer. And then I've also put on the Illuminating Drops, which are by BYS. And so it's made my face all shiny. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do green. I'm going to do a green sort of like, not a cut crease, but like, yeah, just do a normal green eyeshadow. So I'm going to get this brush, which is my Vegan Crease Blender, and I'm going to go in with this set. I have no idea what this is called, and I'm going to go in with this darker green just here. Need my mirror. I'm wondering whether I should go gold or just go all green. It's annoying that I don't have any green glitter. Alright, so just like that, just a general crease in the crease there. Then I'm going to go in with the same brush, but I'm going to use a lighter green. So if you can see that, just this green here. And I'm just going to go in underneath that bit. So just underneath that crease, just to blend it out some more. So it's Christmas. The kids are playing with their Christmas presents. They didn't get a lot this year just because it's been kind of a hard year for us, but hopefully they'll pick up in the new year. Alright, so we've done that. Then I'm going to go in with this brush, which is my E2 by Colourpop, and I'm going to get this green just here, this bottom one, and I'm going to go all over the lid. No, that's got a red on it, so I'm going to have to wipe that all off on my hand because, you know, my brushes aren't clean at the minute. I'm going to have to clean them again because it's driving me crazy how dirty they are. Alright, finally on there. Alright. Then so I'm just going to go in all over the lid. Just give it a light blend over. And then I'm going to go in with that crease blender again, and I'm going to get the darker green, which is just up the top there, and I'm going to smudge that all over that V. Alright, and I think I'm going to go with one of the greys. And where are we? Where's my packing brush? Alright, I might use this one, which is my Colourpop. Doesn't have a colour on it. Just wipe that off on my hand. Look at my hand. I look like a crazy person. Gonna have to wash that off before Christmas dinner. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this sort of grey colour here, just here, and I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Then, just with that grey underneath bit, I'm going to go in with my Pure Platinum. And I'm not sure who this is by, but my daughter has got into this one again as well. So, pick up some of that. If it lets me. Could be a bit finicky, this one. Just put the silver all over. It just doesn't like being picked up. Alright, and now for the other eye. So that's all packed on nicely, and then I'm going to use that crease blender again and go in with that same original colour that I used originally. I'm just going to give it a good buff over there and keep blending it. Alright, just like that. Right, and then I'm going to clean it all up and then I'll show you the final look. Alright, so that's all done. Now I'm going to go in with a lipstick, and I think I'm going to go in with, where are we? I should have got all this stuff out. Salt. I feel like I need a little bit of gleam. You know, since I've got the silver, might as well have a bronze. And seeing I've sort of luminous everywhere, I'm still going to go in with a highlighter because I'm all about that highlight, and I'm going to go in with my Colourpop F6 and go in with my good old Goddess of Faith. I'm going to highlight that bit just there and highlight that bit some more. Just on the nose. And another Cupid's bow. Just sort of really give it a bit more pop. Just like that. Can you see that highlight? I can see that highlight. I'm pretty happy with that. Alright, now I'm going to go in with some mascara. Just going to use my Faux Lashes by NYX. Not going to wear eyelashes today. Smudge that out just a little bit. Alright. So yeah, there we go. That's my final look. Hope you guys enjoy it. And have a great Christmas. Don't forget to press that subscription and like this and you know, the whole drill. Press that notification bell. Love you guys.